Hi guys, and welcome to another tutorial about our Listing Builder tool. Today we'll be talking about how to set and manage the attributes of your listing. In our example, we'll continue using our kitchen trash can project. Let's take a look. Click on Attributes on the left side of your screen. By setting your filters, you'll be able to improve all of your content. As you can see, the provided data of our filled-in inventory file has already been applied to the correct fields like brand name, item condition, and all of these other attributes. Down here, you'll see the product name that was created with our title, which we established earlier in our content section. If you uploaded an empty inventory file for this project, you'll need to fill in all data in the relevant sections on your own. Now let's go to the Discovery section. Here, I'll show you why it's so important and necessary to fill out all of the relevant data. Here you can see that the color name of the product is dark black, but you also need to make sure that the color map is filled out with the correct color as well. In our example, it's the color black. Let's take a quick look at our inventory file. You can see that the drop-down menu contains a list of values, which have been provided directly by Amazon through the inventory file you uploaded. The data is relevant because on the left side of Amazon's search engine results page, you'll find all of these sections as filter settings. For example, material, capacity, features, finish type, shape, and color. If a customer is setting some filters and you haven't been using the correct data in your product's attributes, your product will not show up on the search engine results page for this specific filter. Back on the attributes page, you can scroll down and you'll see more specific data which needs to be filled out. For example, material type. As you can see, the drop-down matches all of the valid values as on your search engine results page. We'll choose stainless steel as our material type for our kitchen trash can project. If you keep scrolling, you'll find the special features sections. Here you can choose an attribute from the drop-down menu. We'll be using anti-slip as a special feature. You can also add special features yourself, such as easy to clean, quiet close, or odor seal, as they show up here in the search engine results page as special features. Make sure to use them if your product matches these features. Now let's head over to product enrichment. We've also seen the finish type filter on the search engine results page. For our project, we'll be using the finish type brushed. Opening mechanism manual lift has already been added directly from our filled-in inventory file. Next, we'll take a look at dimensions. Make sure your product is searchable by using the capacity filter, and also make sure to use the correct unit of measurement and not just a number. In our example, we'll use the number 16, and also check that you're using the appropriate capacity unit of measure. 16 liters does not have the same capacity as 16 gallons. There's also the section Item Shape. We've seen this one on the search engine results page as well. Right now it's blank, so make sure to enter the correct item shape. In our example, the trash can has a cylindrical shape. And finally, let's check out the Basic section. This is an important step as it'll give you the option to delete, partially update, or fully update the project. Afterwards, you can save your project, export it, or upload it to Amazon as shown in our previous tutorial video. And that's it. Now you know why it's important to set the correct filters. To be findable on the SERP, that's short for Search Engine Results page, you have to set the correct filters or your competition may end up being more visible on the SERP than you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, happy analyzing.